Welcome to iSkipper, where we cover all aspects of sailing and powerboating theory. If you're new to the channel and want to build your knowledge about sailing and powerboating, please like and subscribe. These quizzes are geared at sailors and powerboaters who want to test their knowledge and seamanship. So let's dive into sailing quiz number 17, Masters Edition. Question 1. What is the name given to a circular ring fitted to the rim of a compass and carrying two sighting vanes used for taking bearings? Question 2. What type of rig has fore and aft sails on two masts, with the main mast higher than the foremast? Question 3. What is indicated by a vessel showing three balls in a vertical line? Question 4. What is the VHF radio range between two yachts with 12-metre masts? 4 miles, 16 miles, 24 miles, or 48 miles? Question 5. What is the name given to a propeller whose blades align with the water flow when the shaft is immobile, but twist to a pre-set pitch when in gear? Question 6. What is a riding turn? Question 7. If a boat is heading along a transit charted as 40 degrees true and the steering compass reads 48 degrees compass, what is the deviation if the variation is 6 degrees west? Question 8. What is the name of the wind caused by cool air from the sea being drawn towards the shore on warm days as the air above the land rises? Question 9. What is the purpose of a chain plate? Question 10. What is the meaning of Code Flag Hotel? If you would like to build your knowledge on these sorts of questions, I can highly recommend the Day Skipper and the Yachtmaster Theory. iSkipper are working alongside Sailing Course Online to deliver the Royal Yachting Association Day Skipper and Yachtmaster Theory. These courses can be studied anywhere in the world. All the course material will be posted out to you so you can study at your own pace. After you've passed your exam with flying colours, a hard copy of your certificate will be posted out to your home address. You can find out more details at iskipper.org or in the description below. If you have enjoyed your quiz, please hit the like button, and I'd be interested to hear in the comments below what score you got. Answers can be found in the description below.